Ta-da! Okay, do you want to show everybody? There you go.
Why is there a spoon?
I don't know. That's what they gave us. Anyways, there's soy sauce too. I still need you to eat some healthy stuff though, okay? And then there's seaweed. You want to do a wrap, seaweed wrap, okay? What's really cool is that they're all in this tofu. So cool, watch. Oh, delish, look at that. All the different flavors. The next one has a little squid in it. That. A little squid and seaweed. I think this is tuna. Right? Okay, ready?
Video too.
Oh,
I want to make a video and don't.
I think this is unagi. This is roasted eel.
It says I have
Whoa,
curry and more.
It is.
It said, "Walk my room." Bye.